Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. In the last video I have posted the hotkeys and some basics about Blender. Please see that video. Without seeing that video you cannot understand the next parts that I will post. So let's start. So as in the last video I have taught that a cube is placed here. In this video I am going to make a donut with 4 levels. I have made more realistic and modeling with the donut. So please follow the instructions that I will be showing here without skipping. So I will simply press delete and delete the cube and press shift A for adding an object. From mesh and then torus. One thing I want to tell you that you cannot click anywhere on the viewport. Viewport means this area, this intersecting lines with squares. Cannot click on the screen. Only you can move. The reason I will say later. Now here you can see that option is there. Click on add torus. And what is this major segments? Major segments means, let's zoom in. Major segments means this. See, 3 means 3 means triangle, 4 means square, 5 means pentagon and all. For making a circle I almost need 32, so I will keep at 32. And what is this minor segments? Minor segments is this. As you can see, these lines, these intersecting points. See, I have clicked on the screen and the option is gone. That's why I am telling you that do not click on the screen. So I will delete it again and press shift A from mesh and then torus. So what is this minor segments? Minor segments is these intersecting points. This. If you count it from here, it will 1 2 3 4 up to 12. You will count up to 12. I am not counting. You count by one, it will be 12. And what is this major radius? Major radius means this. Inner radius. See, as I am doing. This is minor radius. As it is scaling. So from here keep it major segments keep 32 and minor segments 12 as it is. Here you have to change. Keep it 1 meter. Minor radius it will be I will keep it almost a ball like this. Yeah, it's okay. Then I will keep, it's too big for a donut. Is the shape is not suitable for donut, so I will decrease. No, keep it 1 meter and decrease it. As I'm doing. There are three options to change this. As I'm changing, double click on this section, or you can add those you can click those arrows for increasing and decreasing. The two. I'm making it much more the perfect shape. So this is suitable for a donut. Yay, I got a shape of donut, isn't it? Now you have the independence of clicking, so I will click. See, but the one thing is that the like a donut, the points are and the faces are not smooth. As you can see, it's not smooth. Click on number pad 1 from side view. You can see it's not smooth. See, it's not smooth. So for doing smooth, what you have to do is simply click on the object and select it, and then right click and click set smooth. See, it's smooth now. But the bad thing is that tap on number 1. There are also some problem. As you can see, it's not complete circular. So for doing this, the modifier will help you. So click on the modifier section and add, scroll down and subdivision surface, this modifier. See, it's almost circular. Keep this 2. So I get a perfect shape of donut, isn't it? So in the next video I will show about the icing and some modeling about the donut and some steps involved in creation of donut. Till then, goodbye, stay safe.